Hello guys and welcome back. So now let's work on this method to submit a comment. So first you can see that it's checking if the text is empty, and then it's just going to return that add a comment. So maybe what we can do is we can go to where is that like button and maybe show a snack bar if the user did not enter anything, because I don't want to type all of this. Okay, let's copy that. Then we can close that, and then let's show a snack bar. Show a snack bar to tell user to enter a comment. Okay, so please, let's just say please enter a comment and then return. Okay, so right after this is passed, we're gonna set what we do. First, let's get the current user. Okay, because also we only want authenticated user to sign it, to send a comment. Okay, so again we have to check. Okay, so check if user is logged in. So this one we are already doing it. Where is that comment? There are wallpaper details in the like button, and then if we like here, yeah, this one. Okay, if user is empty, we are going to return that, but we don't need to check like this because we're not passing any ID in the comments input. So let's paste this here, because here we're not passing UID. Okay, so we have to check the other way. What we're gonna do here is how we're gonna check. We're gonna check final current user is equals to we can just directly get from here, or we can check from Firestore. Okay, we can check if Firebase auth and Firebase auth.current user. Okay, now we can import this. We can also check like this, or we can check if from user model. Okay, but I think the best way is let's check from user model, because we're going to get the user data as well. Okay, so here first we're gonna check user model. Okay, and then we have to get context dot read. Okay, user model, like that. Okay, we just need to import okay, not user model, we need to say authentication provider dot user model. Okay, now we just need to import this. Okay, now here we need to check if this user model is not now. Okay, so here, yeah, it's going to be like this, the way it's checking. Now we can go ahead and delete this. Okay, so it has to check if a user, we don't want to check just the user model, because it cannot be now. Okay, we need to check if user.uid is empty. Okay, we have to put a now check here. Okay, because the user model is always going to be there. If user.uid is empty, we're gonna say please log in to comment. Okay, and then we have to return. That's how we're going to make sure that the user is authenticated. Okay, now right after all this check, we need to set the state to this submitting to true. Okay, so let's make this one line of code. We can just do that and then do the submitting to true like this. Here we have to set the submitting to true. Now we know that we are submitting a comment. Okay, now after we submit that, we're just gonna say await. Okay, maybe we can wrap this in the try catch block. Okay, catch Then let's just do that. We're gonna set this back to false, and then also just remember that all of these needs to be in a if context, or I mean if mounted. Okay, that's when we're gonna do all of that. Now inside here we need to say await it's an asynchronous await comments repository. Okay, so we also need the comment repository over here. Let's copy that, come here, so, and then also put the comments repository up here, then import that. Okay, await comments repository dot, what's our method, add comment. Okay, great. Now let's bring this, all of these down and down. Now wallpaper, we know is going to come from widget dot wallpaper ID. Why can't we get that? Okay, so we also need the comment input. Okay, this comment ID. So here let's pass required I don't think, I think we need to pass it this dot wallpaper ID. Okay, then let's just initialize that over there, and then we're gonna get it like this, and then this comment is going to come from the text of the comments controller. Okay, this is going to come from comments controller dot the text, and then the UID is going to come from user model dot UID. Username is going to come from user model dot name. Profile is going to come from user model dot profile pic. Okay, now we can close this. Okay, then right after this we're gonna clear the comments controller dot clear. Also this has to be inside the set state. Okay, here we need to set state. Yeah, let's just put it like that. Okay, yeah, because we also need to do that, so let's do this. And also the submitting to false. Yeah, that's how we are going to add the comment. Okay, yeah, I think that's about it. What we need to do is just to pass this wallpaper ID and then remove these unused imports. Okay, let's come here and then let's go to that comment here. Let's remove the constant keyword, and then let's pass the wallpaper ID, which is going to come from widget dot wallpaper ID. That's about it. Now the padding here, let's change this. This let's do only left and right 16.0 like this. Okay, now let's hot reload. Let's restart the application and then we can give it a try. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, now we can get any of these, and then we open, and then maybe I think before that let's come back to this widget. Okay, let's create this separate class for this widget because we also want to show time. Okay, so yeah, let's just quickly do that. Let's come in the social here, right click, new file. I'm going to call this comment card dot. Okay, so this is going to be a stateless widget. Okay, this one is going to be called comment card, and then here we need to pass the required this dot comment. Okay, and then let's pass that. This is going to be a comment coming from the comment model. Comment like this, and then we import that. Now here, what do we need to do here? Let's just return a padding widget. Okay, so the padding, we're going to have a symmetric one, constant of edge insert dot symmetric, then vertical we got 8.0, and then sorry, my numpad is off, 8.0, and then horizontal we're going to have 16.0. Okay, now let's remove that, and then we are missing a bracket. Let's close that, scroll that over there, and then right after this padding here, right after this padding, we need to have a child of the row widget. So instead of a lister, we are going to use a row widget. Okay, so the first child is going to be our image. What is that called? User image avatar. User image. Okay, we did not say children here. Okay, user image avatar. Okay, user image avatar, which is that widget. So the image URL is going to come from comment.profile pic, that one, and then the radius, let's have something like let's make it bigger, like 20. Okay, yeah, and then that's it. And then right after this one, we're gonna have a size box, constant of size box. Maybe 16 is too much. Let's put it something like 12. And then from here, we're gonna have expanded widgets where we're going to put the data. Okay, so let's see, let's just click tab here. Okay, yeah, so now even this one knows that we want a time ago package. Okay, so we're gonna put this from the start, and then the name here, comment, we're going to say name, and then yeah, let's keep what it's suggesting here, and then right after this name, we're going to put that comment below, but let's have a size box here. So what we're gonna do is the name and the time ago, we'll put it in a row. So let's wrap this name in a row. Okay, in the row widget, and then get this time ago as another child. Let's cut it and then put it down after this row, and then we're gonna need this. We cut it here, then paste it here. Okay, now after this row, that's when we're going to have the comment here. So let's get this size box again. Let's copy it, then here, and then this is going to be height of like something like 4, and then we're going to put the comment over there. Now we need this package of time ago to complete this. Okay, so let's minimize that, and then come here, minimize also this, and then let's get the time ago widget. Okay, this one over here, installation, copy this, come back here really quickly, come down here, then paste it, and then let's save so that it installs. Okay, let's just wait for that. All right, it's done. We can close that and then come here, and then we need to use our package here. So what we're gonna do is on this text, we want to call our package. So first, let's go back to the package. Then we need to copy this, come here, and then import it. So let's remove that unused import. Then we want to paste this, and then here we need to say as time ago. Okay, now when we come here, we need to say time ago dot format, and then what we're gonna get is comment dot created that, like that. Okay, now let's save that to format that. So this is going to be our comment card. Okay, Now we can bring this back and then go to the comment bottom sheet. Instead of this, we can just call our comment, our new comment card. Okay, so now you see that we just need to pass the comment, and the comment card, we just need to pass the comment, and then that will be it. So let's just hot reload and then now test our application one more time. Let's just wait. Okay. Okay, it has started. Let's get into the same one. Click on the comment. There we don't have comments. Now here, let's type again. Nice work. Let's click on the comment. Okay, you can see there is our comment. Great. It says our name, and then this widget of the time ago, we get into here. It's the one that says a moment ago, which is this. Okay. So also we can put the space. If you want to put the time to the end here, we can just put this space between here. Okay, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Okay, so if we put another comment, it will show up here also. Okay, let's say great testing comment. Let's click send, which is going to send the new comment on top over there. Okay, great. Now there's also one thing that we can do here. This name, if we want it, if you don't want it to say you, we can just check here the sender ID in the comment. Let's check in the comment, we have the UID. Okay, so we have to check if this UID is equals us. Okay, so let's do check if it's our comment. Okay, so our comment, we need to check the UID. If the commented UID is equals to, we need to check our UID from the current user. Okay, so here let's get current user ID. Okay, you just need to do that and then do context.read authentication.uid. Now we're gonna import all of that, and then we just need to compare with that. Okay, current user ID. Okay, now here we need to check if is our comment, we want to say you, else we have to say that name. Okay, now if we hot reload, you can see that because it's our comment, it's just going to say you. Okay, great. So that's it, guys. You can log in with another account and then you will see that. So here this is not counting. If we come here, you can see that here it's counting. Okay, so let's quickly go inside here and then also get this dynamically. Okay, so what we're gonna do is this comment card is done, comment is done, comments sheet is done, input field is done, comment repository is done. Now we want to get these comments so that we can count these. Okay, so this is basically also done. In the comments button, that's when we want to read this. Okay, so let's have a look here. So what we're gonna do also here is to initialize, to get the comments repository. Okay, so let's do comments repository, and then we're gonna need to get that. Then let's just import these comments. Okay, why it's not importing? Is it comment? Yeah, comment repository. I actually need to name this as comments. Okay, comment repository, and then next we're gonna need to get the list of comment stream. Okay, let's do let stream, and then this is going to be a list. Okay, now here we need to get the first let's put inside here comment. Okay, let's import this, and then we're gonna get the comment stream. Okay, like this. Okay, now after we get this, we need to go back here, and then instead of this, we can now use a stream builder so that we can count the comments and then show them as this here. Okay, let's return a stream builder over here. So what we do is okay, first let's just have a init state and get the comment stream. Okay, so comment stream is equals to, this is going to be, yeah, we're going to get the comment stream now from this get comments method. Okay, so in its state we are going to get that comment stream, and then over here let's now return a stream builder. So I'm gonna bring this down and then just return a stream builder here, and then this is just going to be the list of comments, list of comment. Okay, now we need to come back here, and then in the stream here we're going to call our comments stream. Okay, now in the builder here let's have a context and index. Okay, context and index, not index, it has to be snapshot. So there is a lot of ways we can stream these guys, or this is just one of the way that I'm doing. Okay, so here after we get this, first we want to get the final snapshot of that comment. So final comment snapshot, I'm gonna call it comment count. Okay, comment count. Okay, so this, I need to get the length of these comments that I'm counting. If there's nothing, I'm gonna put a 0, and then right after that, now I'm gonna return this guest detector. Okay, it's going to be as simple as that. I'm going to okay, what did I do? Let me just cut it again and then just return it here. Okay, why am I not pasting it? I'm gonna cut it and then return it over here. Yeah, then I'll also close that. Great. So you see here we are getting the comments count, which is what we are going to put here. So if we come back here, this comment count, now we can just remove it because we want to stream it here. Okay, and the rest of the thing is just obviously going to be the same, nothing else, because the reason why we are just getting a stream builder, we are streaming the count of the comments. Okay, now if we hot reload, this has to be the stream. Okay, let's just start it from the beginning, because this has to start in the start of the class. Okay, let's just wait for the application to start. Okay, you can see here we are streaming the comments. Now when we get here, even here now you see we can get the updated number. Okay, we come here, we can go to here, and then let's add a comment here. Let's say nice flower, and then let's comment it. So once we have a comment, you can see even behind there it's streamed. It's going to be counted as 1. Okay, even here it's already streamed. Okay, so that's it, guys. We are done with these social features. We can like the wallpaper, we can comment on the wallpaper. In the advanced version, we should be able to click on this comment and then like this comment, because we have already created this method for future use, because the comment can also take like, and it can also take another comment using this nested ID. These are the advanced features we can add later on. Okay, so great. Now guys, you can comment. This class is also done. Okay, I can call this complete, if you get in the wallpaper, you can like it, you can dislike it, you can comment on it, and the home screen, every function is working. Now in the next video, we're gonna get into the profile screen and work on displaying the correct data here. Okay, we are almost done with our application, and I would say this is about 80 to 80% done, maybe. Yeah, all these functions are working. Thank you guys once again for joining this course, and see you in the next video.